Namaste everyone. Myself Gopal Singh, Principal of VS Niketan College. The institution is running various programs of plus 2 as well as bachelor's level. We are having BBA program of Pokhara University. We started this program since 2057 and we are running this program successfully. Not only BBA, we are having Tribhuvan University programs also like BBM, BBS, BCA, BSAW as well as MBS also. Related program affiliated to Pokhara University, we are having EMBA, that is Executive MBA also. During this 20 or 25 years span of time, our students who completed BBA from VS Niketan College, they are doing well in their career. Most of them, they are having high posts in different organizations. They are working in banks, they are working in organizations, they are working in government offices also, and some of them, they are running their own business too. Not only inside the country, they are successfully doing well outside the country also. In abroad, in many countries, our students, they are doing well. If you are interested to pursue your career in bachelor level, if you want to do BBA or if you want to continue in the program BBM, BBS, BCA or BSW, you are most welcome. I hope that you will find a very family environment as well as a very good environment to pursue your education here. This is my special request to parents as well as students that visit VS Niketan College and give us opportunity to serve you in the field of education. VS Niketan College, the real name of this college is Binayak Sudha Niketan College, and this is the outcome of hard labor and dedication of late Dr. Baburam Pokhrel. Right now, we are having his son, Dr. Babin Pokhrel, as the director of this institution. I hope that your pursuit of higher education will definitely be a successful one if you join us. You are most welcome. You can visit our institution whenever you are free or whenever you like during the working hours on the working days. We are very thankful to Virtual Edu Fair. This is a second Virtual Edu Fair 2021, and the support as well as the interest shown by Virtual Edu Fair is appreciable, and we are really thankful to them for their efforts. Students who would like to join Virtual Edu Fair will definitely gain lots of information regarding bachelor programs of different universities, and we are also there. Please visit our website. You are most welcome. Respected parents and dear students, if you want to know or if you want to get more information about bachelor programs and especially the programs run by VS Niketan Education Foundation or VS Niketan College, please visit www.virtualedufairnepal.com.